and gentlemen of the press, good morning. It is great privilege and honor that I welcome all of you to this press briefing of the command in our few days' recent achievements in our bid to clear FCT of crimes and criminalities. The first case we have here is the case of Jonathan Marcus. This is Jonathan Marcus. He is the person that used this knife here. The knife there, I will show you. He went to the house of Adebola Ezekiel, who is about 80 years, as well as the wife, Abiodun Ezekiel. She is about 79 years old. He went to their house in Apo legislative quarters and used this knife there to kill the wife as well as the husband, two of them. He killed them with the cutlass, butchered them like animals, and blood splitted everywhere. Eventually, he was their former driver. That was what had made him to gain access into the house, and he killed both of them. His excuse is that the man was promising him money. He promised him money. He has not given it to him. He could not wait. He went personally and killed both of them with this jackknife. And he as well as went further to collect his ATM card and his phone and went to withdraw 200,000 naira from the man's account. So we have trailed him, arrested him in Obajana in Kogi State. This is him here. The second case is a case of Sadia Abubakar, this woman you see here, and Muhammad Jibrin, the man on clutches. One Bilikis Muhammad was brought by the husband to stay with them. Both of them organized and went and killed the Bilikis, the lady that was left in their care. And they were hurrying to go and bury her when luck ran out of both of them. We have to move in and get both of them arrested. That wicked people. The third group here, the group of armed robbers. You can see them there. There are about 8 there. It's from them we recovered all these guns, which I will show you. They are terrorists. They not only rob in Abuja, make Abuja inhabitable and insecure, they rob around Abuja, both from Nasarawa and environs, and Kaduna. Luck ran out of them. One of them is pounds and dollars. I will show you. We know all of them. We trail all of them. We recovered all their guns. They are here. And we arrested 8 of them. Complete. They are here. One is Chukwemeka Oputa. Who is Chukwemeka Oputa? Get up there. That is pounds and dollars. Raphael Dav. Get up. Thomas Akange. His guy name is, what is that his guy name? Parasite. What of Adekunle Desmond? Is one of them, same group. Ogundipe Ayotunde. They are all killers. They confessed killing almost more than 15 people in their different operations. Alexander Kingsley, yeah, that's the leader. Tompolo is his name. He's the leader. Moses Hassan, that one is Basala. That is his operational name, Basala. Apollo Danjuma, all of them are in the same groups. If the arms are not enough, you see the ones, they fabricated them all. They are there. You can ask them anything. We recovered a lot of arms from them and ammunition, which many of them are not here. The other group are the group, the other three there are the group from IDP camp. Durumi IDP camp. We have 2 cases from different IDP camps. All killing, and robbing. So whenever somebody is commenting about IDP camp, that we have to do something about it, many people will be demonstrating on the road that why should we touch IDP camp? These are the 3 groups of robbers. We recovered arms from them. They have been doing robbery and killing at will because they believe where they are, no person can get them. They are in IDP camp. They have no address. We have another case that we have not displayed here, IDP camp, and they just slaughter people. Ali Suwa, get up. Matthew Yohana. Ahmed Muhammad. Those are the can you get up? This is Ali Suwa. 3 of them are from the IDP camp. Durumi IDP camp. They are a group of armed robbers. You can see them. We recovered the arms, English-made pistols. They bring out from their pocket, they will surrender you immediately. And they kill at will. We have another group of robbers. Ibrahim Adamu, get up. Muhammad Isa, get up. Abdul Usani. Abdul Ghaffar Sidi, Mokhtar. Muhammad Yao. These 5 people you see, they came in from Kano State. Their duty is to rob. As our Muslim brothers, we are in this, they are approaching the Salah because they were doing night prayers. This group of robbers, we will let them within the mosque, and with their guns, they will collect their phones. They even went and lodged in a hotel. From there, they take off for their operations. They came in with a black Mercedes there. We recovered it is here with them. And they lodged. We recovered 27 phones from them, which they have robbed from different people they have attacked. The phones are here. I wish to appeal to residents of FCT. If you know that we are robbed during the Salah celebration, during that night prayer period, please come to our office to collect your phone. We have arrested them. The robbers are here. Your phone is here. Come and identify and collect your phones. We have told them that we are going to do much for them. The last group that is here, sit down, Kano robbers. You can only rob in Kano, you cannot rob in FCT and go free. The last group are the group led by the AEDC staff. Can all of you get up? This group of robbers came in from different directions. They have the effrontery, the audacity, the might, and the power to enter Maitama and removed this big transformer. Use this crane, lose the transformer, carry the transformer, and loaded it on this crane. They uprooted the whole armored cables, loaded it in the J5 motor, and they came with a Peugeot 406 vehicle. And They were led by this one, the second one there, the staff, AEDC staff. Raise your hand so that they will know you. The second one, yes. They were led by him. And when we intercepted them, he said he's a staff. He was sent by his general manager to come and carry this instrument to where they will repair it. The thing has no fault. They are wicked. They made people to be in darkness because they want to make it quick. That is them there. And we have arrested them. Look at everything about them is here. So if you have any question you want to ask, all of them are complete. But let me show you that I want to still warn. The people who think FCT is just moving like that, no. I want to reiterate that we are still eager. We are still willing. And we are more emboldened to deal with criminals more than you regard and more than you think, without fear or favor. I still want to say that our 4-point movement agenda in fighting crime is still on. I said it from the beginning. It's either you shoot me, I shoot you. Either you go or I go. Your next place to be, if you are not in the grave, your next place to be, or in the mortuary, your next place to be is in the prison yard. If you are not in the prison yard, you will be in my cell. If you are not in the cell, you must be on the run. If you are not on the run, you will come out. Let us know who is who. We are ready for you, without fear or favor, without missing word. We are ready for you. All these ones you have seen is just a few days operation. We are going to continue. With all my people you see me here with, we are determined, everly determined, to clear FCT and make it more safer than people think. God bless all of you.